These Arkwright Smart Rags feel like true shop-grade microfiber, picking up dust and grime from dashboards, glass, and trim without leaving lint behind. The blend of polyester and polyamide gives the cloths a dense, plush feel that cleans effectively with very little chemical cleaner, which is great if you want to cut down on sprays. Edges are finished smoothly, so they glide over paint, touch screens, and mirrors without dragging or leaving those faint hairline marks cheaper rags can cause. Each cloth is a practical 12-inch by 12-inch square, large enough for serious wiping, but small enough to control easily when working around tight interior spaces. The pop-up style dispenser box keeps the stack tidy and makes it easy to grab a fresh cloth with one hand, which is especially helpful in busy garages or detailing bays. With proper low heat washing and drying, these microfiber towels hold up well through many cleaning cycles, staying absorbent and useful rather than turning stiff or scratchy.